The topic today is multiplication of 3-digit by 1-digit number. Please feel free to download the multiplication chart in the description box. So the first example is 214 multiplied by 2. The first step is 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 214 multiplied by 2 is 428. The next example is 233 multiplied by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The next is 3 times 3, and that gives us 9. 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, 233 multiplied by 3 is 699. 218 multiplied by 5. Here, 5 times 8, that is 40. And so we write 0 and carry 4. Then 5 times 1, that is 5, plus the carryover 4, and that is 9. Now 5 times 2 is 10. We don't have any carryover, so we write the old 10. And that is 218 multiplied by 5, and that gives us 1090. Now we have 343 multiplied by 4. We have 4 times 3, which is 12. And so we write 2 and carry 1. Now 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 1, that is 17. So here we write 7 and carry 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, that is 13. So we write 13. And so 343 multiplied by 4 is 1372. Now we have 509 multiplied by 7. 9 times 7 is 63. So we write 3 and carry 6. 7 times 0 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So 0 now, we add it to the carryover, which is 6. So we have 0 plus 6, and that is 6. 7 times 5, that is 35. And we write 35 because we do not have any carryover. So we have 35. So 509 multiplied by 7 is 3,563. Now we have this example. 800 multiplied by 4. We have 4 times 0, that is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. The next one again is 4 times 0, that is 0. And 4 times 8, is 32. So we write 32. So 800 multiplied by 4 is 3,200. So here we have 800 multiplied by 4. So because the number 800 has 2 zeros, we put the 2 zeros down. Then we multiply 8 by 4. And 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So 800 multiplied by 4 is 3,200. Now we have another example, 200 multiplied by 9. So the step to take here is to write the 2 zeros in front before multiplying 2 by 9. So we put the 2 zeros, then 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18. So 200 multiplied by 9 is 1,800. Another example here is 700 multiplied by 3. 700 has 2 zeros, so definitely the number must end with 2 zeros. So 7 times 3 is 21, then we include the 2 zeros. And so 700 multiplied by 3 is 2,100. Now I have this worksheet for you. There are 5 questions here. Try to solve them, and you can show it to your parents to know if you're right. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button so you can get notified of new uploaded videos. Thank you and bye for now.